Oh my god, the dude with the curly hair. I do love this particular guitarist here. He's a badass.
Like a sweet split, so no one could take him down. No. Out of school, came from the age of down. Fought like a sweet split, so no one could take him down. No. He had no money, no good at home. Walked the street a soldier and he fought the war alone. No way, no good at home. Walked the street a soldier and he fought the war.
It's like Klaus Meine from the Scorpions. Hello, Los Angeles! Ah! You know, right? Or Don Dokken. Anyway, man, he's killing it. He's doing a great job, you know, hitting all the notes. His tone is cool. He doesn't sound strained or stressed at all. I have heard a couple of shows where he didn't do that great in the interim of maybe this show or maybe later than this show, I don't know. But if he keeps it up and he's doing like this, man, he's just killing it, doing a great job. So that's awesome.
18 in life, you got it. 18 in life, you got it. 18 in life to know your crime, it's time and it's 18 in life to go. 18 in life, you got it. Oh, you know it. 18 in life, you got it. 18 in life to know your crime, it's time and it's 18 in life to go. 18 in life to know your crime, it's time and it's 18 in life to go. Accidents will happen. Gasoline, he'd keep his motor running, but it never kept him clean. They say he loved adventure. Ricky's the wild one. He married trouble at the ghost ship with the girl. Bang bang, shoot him up. The party never ends. You 18 in life, you got it. 18 in life to know your crime, it's time and it's 18 in life to go.
Ooh, nice.
Can't think of dying when the battle's your best friend and know it. 18 in life, you got it. 18 in life to know your crime, it's time and it's 18 in life to go. 18 in life, you got it. 18 in life to know your crime, it's. They all heard Ricky say he fired 6 shots to the wing and the child blow entirely away. 18 in life, you got it. 18 in life to know your crime, it's time and it's 18 in life to go. 18 in life, you got it. 18 can think of dying when the battle's your best friend and know it. 18 in life, you got it. 18 in life to know your crime, it's time and it's 18 in life to go. 18 in life, you got it. 18 in life to know your time and it's 18 in life to go. Accidents will happen. They all heard Ricky say.
Like, I love the way he's stressing that vocals. Like, if you notice how he's singing this song, like he's performing this, like you would know he's stressing it, and it's kind of like amazing. Like, that's so, I love it though. I love it. That's how he sings, and he isn't letting it go. He's using it to express himself, and it's so unique, so sounding well, and the outcome was just amazing. Like, it's still amazing to my ears. So let's dive back to this video though.
Fire six shot to the wind. I'd love to know your prime it's time, and it's 18 and life to go.
Crazy.
Accidents will happen, they all heard Ricky say. He fired a six shot to the wing, and a child blow and child away.
Oh my, I love this.
And a child blow and child away. Life, you got it. 18 and life to know. 18 and life, you got it. 18 and life to know. Your prime, it's time, and it's 18 and life to go. 18 and life, your prime, it's time, and it's 18 and life to go. 18 and life, you got it. 18 and life to know. Your prime, it's time, and it's 18 and life to go.
Wow, that was amazing.
Oh my god, I did love it. Oh my god, that was so much fun. I can't with this one. I enjoyed this. It's kind of like, you know, this is kind of like reminded me when the first time I heard of him. I don't know, for some reason it does remind me of like, you know, those days. He is born for rock and roll, man. No matter what rock it may be, he is a rock and roll kid, a rock and roll guy. Okay, so yes. Oh my gosh, that was magnificent.